In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove task links in Asana. If your project spaces get cluttered with outdated links or accidental pastes, removing them is quick and clean. We'll keep this simple and stick to 3 actions: opening the task, highlighting the link, and deleting it, with a few tips so you don't lose anything important along the way. Start by opening the task that contains the link you want to remove. You can do this from any list, board, or search view. Just click the task title to open its detail pane. Give it a second to load so you can see the description at the top and the comments thread below. This view is where all the editing happens, so you won't need to navigate anywhere else. Next, highlight the link. Links in Asana often appear either inside the task description or within a comment you or a teammate posted. Click directly into the area where the link appears so the cursor is active. If it's in the description, click once to enter edit mode. You should see the text cursor blinking. If it's inside a comment you authored, click into that comment so the text becomes editable. Now drag your mouse across the entire link text until it's fully selected. Asana automatically detects URLs, so they might be blue and underlined, or they could be a piece of text that's linked. Either way, make sure the exact text you want removed is highlighted and nothing else. Finally, delete the link. Press backspace if your cursor is to the right of the selection, or press delete if your cursor is to the left. On a Mac keyboard, either key will remove the highlighted text. On Windows, backspace is often the most reliable. If extra spaces or stray punctuation remain, delete those too so your text reads cleanly. Asana updates your changes right away so there's nothing else to click. If you accidentally remove more than intended, use the undo shortcut, Command+E on Mac or Control+E on Windows, to bring the text back instantly. If you don't have permission to edit that field or didn't author the comment, editing might be restricted. In that case, a project owner or the original author can make the change. That's it. Open the task, highlight the link in the description or comment, and delete it. Keeping your tasks free of outdated or distracting links makes details easier to scan and helps teammates focus on what matters. Pause and repeat these steps anywhere you spot a link you don't need, and your workspace will stay tidy and